Hey guys, just another morning solo shore dive. This is a pretty interesting spot. Usually there's a few crays around, so I'm hoping there's a few whites. I haven't walked out yet. As per usual, the flies are mad up here, so anyway, stay tuned, we'll see what's going on.
We have built up all your castles with our blood and with our hands. We are coming here to make sure that you always understand. We will take away your life till there's nothing left to hold, and we'll bring to you our strife. It's a monster to behold, and we'll take it with our swords till there's nothing that remains. We will cut you down until you will never feel the same, and you give up your desire just to find another day, and you hold on like your life depended on it. We know that as you came right here, you were looking for a fight. We will follow you to hell and back till everything is right. And you kill us with your blades. We pound plowshares into swords. You fall onto your knees, crying out to your barbaric lord. And we'll take it with our swords till there's nothing that remains. We will cut you down until you will never feel the same, and you give up your desire just to find another day, and you hold on like your life depended on it. You know what I feel inside. You know nothing left to hide. You know that we'll give and never take it, never break away. We walk patiently in stride, walk forever side by side. For the future we will never give up, never give away. You said hide in your heart. You said wait up alone, and the world will come and rise to take it away. We'll take it with our swords till there's nothing that remains. We will cut you down until you never feel the same, and you give up your desire just to find another day, and you hold on like your life depended on it.